In the previous lecture, we discussed different questions regarding inverse function and integral. Now, this is the question 39, which is integral equals integration dx over 2x minus 1 and under the root 2x minus 1 square minus 4. So let this will be equal to u. This will be equal to u. So du equals to 2 dx, u equals to 2x minus 1, du equals to 2 dx, and dx is equals to du over 2. And now this will be equals to a square equals to 4, so a equals to 2. Now put these values in this. So du by 2 is dx, du by 2. So this will be equals to u, and this is u square minus this is a square. So integration equals to 1 by 2 is taken outside from the integral, du over u and 2 u square minus a square. Now this is the formula of secant inverse. So 1 over a, secant inverse u over a plus c. So put the value of a and u. So a is 2, and u is 2x minus 1. So 2 2's are 4, secant square 2x minus 1 over 2 plus c. So our next question is question 41. Question 40 is just like 39, and question 41 is not difficult, but you can take it like question 41. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 2 cos theta d theta, 2 cos theta d theta over 1 plus sine theta whole square. So this is the question. So this is very easy question. If we take it like let this is u. If this is u, let u equals to sine theta. Sine theta, and du equals cos theta d theta. So put the value in this. So integration equals 2 and 2. Cos theta d theta equals to du over this is 1 plus this is u square. So 2 integral du over 1 plus u square. So this will be equal to 2. This is like tangent inverse u. Here a is 1, so don't need to write this. And this is theta. Here theta is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Theta equals minus pi by 2 and theta equals pi by 2. So now put the value of u. So u equals tangent inverse. This is u equal to sine theta. So put the value of sine theta over here. And what is the limit of theta? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So when we put pi by 2, so first put pi by 2, 2 tangent inverse sine pi by 2. Sine theta is upper limit is pi by 2, so put pi by 2 minus 2 tangent inverse sine of lower limit is minus pi by 2. So this will be equal to sine pi by 2 means sine 90 is 1. This will be equal to 1. So this will be equal to 2 tangent inverse, and this is sine of pi by 2 is 1 minus 2 tangent inverse sine of minus pi by 2 is minus 1. So for tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan theta. So minus into minus is plus. So mean 2 tangent inverse of 1 plus 2 tangent inverse of 1 equals to 4 tangent inverse of 1. So 4 tangent inverse of 1 means if we take like this, this is 4 tangent inverse 1. So tangent inverse 1 is pi by 4 means 45 degrees. So pi by 4, 4 and 4 will be cancelled out and you left with only pi. So this is the answer. Next question for you is 43. 42 is similar to 41. So 43 question 43. Integral e power x dx over 1 plus e power 2x integral from 0 to natural log of root x. Sorry, natural log of root 3. Now let this is 1 plus u square like this. So let u equals to e power x and du equals to e power x dx. So now put the values over here. Integral equals e power x into dx will be equals to du over 1 plus e power x square. We can write this like e power 2x, so e power x square. So this is e power x is u, so u square. This will be equals to tangent inverse of u. So now this is, here is the limit of x is 0 to x is natural log root 3. So over here, so this is equals to tangent inverse, and u is what? U is e power x, and x is from 0 to natural log of under the root 3. Natural log of under root 3. So next, this will be equals to tangent inverse e power x is natural log root 3 minus tangent inverse of lower limit e power 0. So this will be cancelled out. So tangent inverse of under root 3 minus tangent inverse of 1. So tangent inverse of under root 3 is 60 degree or pi by 3, and this is pi by 4. So we have to take LCM. So 4 and 3, 12. So this is 4 pi minus 3 pi is pi. So this is the answer of this question. तो यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया, सिंपल u को e पावर x ले लिया, du ex dx आ गया, तो उसके बाद आपके पास टेंजेंट वाला फार्मूला बन गया। टेंजेंट वाले फार्मूले के बाद आपने x की वैल्यूज u की वैल्यू पुट की, उसके बाद यहाँ पे टेंजेंट अंडर रूट 3 इक्वल्स टू 60 या पाई बाई 3 माइनस टेंजेंट इनवर्स 1. सो टेंजेंट इनवर्स 1 इज 45 डिग्री और पाई बाई 4. सो 3 into 4 12, 4 pi minus 3 pi is pi, which is your answer. So now next is question 44. Which is integral 1 e power pi by 4 dt over t into 1 plus natural log t square. So now here let u equals natural log t. So du equals 1 over t dt. Now put this in this integral. Integral equals 4 will be comes out and dt over t. So we can write 1 over 1 plus natural log of t square into dt over 1 over t, this one, into dt. So this will be equals to 4 integral 1 over 1 plus u square du. So this is again tangent theta. So this is tangent, so 4 into tangent inverse u plus c. So but now there are limits of t, so we cannot write c. So this is t equals to 1, t equals to e power pi by 4. Now put the value of u. So u is natural log t. So this will be equals to 4 tangent inverse natural log of t. So this will be equals to 4 tangent inverse natural log of t is what? T is from 1 to e power pi by 4. So e power pi by 4 minus 4 tangent inverse natural log of 1. So natural log of 1 is 0 and tangent inverse 0 is also 0. So this will be equals to 4 tangent inverse e and natural log will be cancelled out, pi by 4 minus 4 into tangent inverse of 0 is 0. So this will be equal to 4 tangent inverse of pi by 4. This is our answer. Now this is very simple question. This is nothing but the tangent inverse. So now next question is, I will give you the hint of question 45 and 46 so that you can solve. So you see here, आपने यहाँ पे देखा कि यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ u और a की वैल्यू निकालते हैं. अगर आप u और a की वैल्यू निकालना आपको आ जाए और आपको तीनों फार्मूले आ जाएं, if you know the three formulas which I write on the whiteboard, and you know the value of u and a, you can solve each and every question. So now question is pretty much simple. Question 45 and question 46. Question 45 and this is question 46. So question 45 is integral y dy over 1 minus pi 4. And question 46 is integral secant square y dy over 1 minus tangent square y root. So these are two questions. So now look at this question. Now if you take this is in the under the root के अंदर आपके पास 1 माइनस u स्क्वेयर, तो वो क्या होता है, आप लिखेंगे कि u इक्वल्स टू लेट u इक्वल्स टू y स्क्वेयर and du equals to 2y dy. But here is y dy, so you have to remove this one. So divide 2 both sides. So du by 2 equals y dy. No problem over here. So you can put in this question. So this is du by 2 into this one under the root 1 minus u square. So you can solve this question. 1 over 1 minus u square is sine inverse u, no problem. So 2 sine inverse u and you put the value of u. Pretty simple. So now here you have to let, this is 1 minus u square, understand this, 1 minus u square, 1 minus u square. So u equals tangent y. So du equals secant square y dy. So secant square, here is secant square dy equals du. So integration du over, what is this? This is under the root 1 minus, this is tangent y is u, so u square. This is again secant inverse u. No problem. So what you have to do, इन क्वेश्चंस में आपने देखें करना क्या होता है. सिंपल आपने u लेना होता है, du निकालना होता है, a निकालना होता है. ठीक है. तो आप अगर आपको फार्मूले आते हैं, इफ यू नो द फार्मूलास एंड यू नो हाउ टू टेक u, तो यहां पर अगर आपके पास अंडर रूट आएगा, तो जब आपने फार्मूला पढ़े थे तो आपके पास क्या था, फार्मूलाज में अगर आप देखें तो जहां पर आपके पास ये फार्मूला है, दिस इज 1 ओवर अंडर द रूट a स्क्वेयर माइनस u स्क्वेयर, लाइक दिस. तो इसमें आपने क्या पढ़ा था, 1 ओवर a secant inverse u over a plus c. This was the formula. So a square minus u square in under root. तो जो भी माइनस वाला आएगा तो आपने क्या करना है, अंडर रूट को चेक करना है, उसमें a स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर, या ये होगा 1 ओवर अंडर रूट u स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर, और यहाँ पे फिर बाहर क्या आएगा, u आएगा. Sorry, this is sin inverse u by a, and this is secant inverse u by a plus c, but this is 1 by a, don't forget to write 1 by a outside. But if you have positive here, so this is integral 1 over a square plus u square. So this is obviously equal to 1 over a tangent inverse. So for only positive you have tangent. तो पॉजिटिव के लिए टेंजेंट आ जाएगा जब डिवाइड में पॉजिटिव आएगा, और अनरूट नहीं होगा. जब अनरूट होगा तो आपने क्या यूज करना है, साइन या सीकेंट यूज करना है. नो प्रॉब्लम. सो अगले लेक्चर में हम 6.10 करेंगे. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.